So this is our morning ritual. Look how happy she is. So what are we doing? Well, we're doing green light therapy for trauma. And we have our PEMF device for increased microcirculation, nutrient absorption, easier waste removal. Ooh, what's that on top? Oh, it's sound frequency for trauma also. We heal animals, yes, and people. Animals and people. When are you going to come in for your treatment? Oh, and they also got coconut oil with lavender and frankincense and rosemary for their nervous system. Be happy, 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 happy.